A restaurant in Putnam County has chosen not to comply with West Virginia's mask mandate. And now the health department has given the owner a 24-hour ultimatum to comply. 13 News reporter Haley Kosick is in the studio to explain the reasoning behind his decision. Haley?
Rob, this all started because of a Facebook post. Bridge Cafe and Bistro in Hurricane shared their decision to forego wearing masks for both employees and customers, which quickly exploded with reactions, comments, and shares. Bridge Cafe and Bistro off Route 34 in Hurricane supports the farm-to-table movement, promoting locally raised food and produce.
These are some impressive burgers.
One thing they don't support, mandated masks.
I completely support people's decisions to wear a mask, and I support those that make the decision for themselves not to wear a mask.
The restaurant reopened exactly 1 week ago, and soon after the governor's mask mandate took effect, the owners posted on Facebook stating they would not enforce the mandate for their employees nor customers, which caused quite the stir online.
Last I looked, it was over 90,000 people reached, close to 500 shares. We wanted to offer people, insight as to how we were running the operation before they ever entered the door so that they could make an informed decision whether or not they wanted to dine with us.
The post prompted many people to contact the Putnam County Health Department, which is now telling the restaurant to comply as required by the governor's executive order. Owner Andrew Stewart says masks serve little to no purpose at a food establishment.
At that point, what is the point? I don't understand how we're all sitting here breathing the same air inside the same building, but just because you're at your seat, the mask is optional now. It just doesn't make sense.
Stewart is now facing the possibility of losing his food service permit if he chooses to stand his ground. He has until tomorrow to choose the fate of his establishment.
I'm gonna get a good night's sleep and make that decision tomorrow.
Now the health department will have a third inspection tomorrow and will lose their food service permit if they haven't complied with the mask mandate. If that happens, in order to get it back, Stewart will have to request a hearing with the public health officer. We will continue to update you. In the studio, Haley Kosick, 13 News, working for you.